Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a setting that might lower your fan speed so your computer isn't so loud. So we can go on over to search and just type in power and then choose a power plan. Now you could probably just do power saving as a power plan, but if you don't have that as an option, go to change plan settings right here. Go to change advanced power settings. And what I do is usually just set the processor power management just a little bit below 100%. So let's go to process power management, go to the maximum processor state, and try moving this down from 100% to maybe like 97%, 98%, or maybe like 95%. So keep it somewhere in the 90s, mid 90s, upper 90s, low 90s, somewhere around there. And this will prevent your processor from getting to 100%, which is going to cause it to overheat and the fans will kick in and it's going to get really loud. So this is what I do, and it might impact some performance, but I noticed doesn't really do much for me. It just prevents it from getting to 100% and making it really loud. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.